Find the inverse function of function g given by the set of ordered pairs. Function can be represented by a set of ordered pairs. By interchanging the first and the second coordinates, this is first coordinate and the second coordinate, we can form the inverse function. So, first pair we have 2, 3. When we interchange 3 with 2, we will have the inverse of the first pair. So let me write this. It will be 3, 2. The second pair is 3, 4. So now will be the inverse will be 4 and 3. We have to change the coordinates. The inverse of the third pair will be 5, 4, and last pair will be 6, 5. The same will be for the second set of pairs. We have to interchange the coordinates, the first and the second. So the second will be now the first and the first will be the second. So we have 3, negative 3, 4, negative 4, and 5, negative 5. To find the inverse function, when you have given set of ordered pairs, you have to just interchange the first and the second coordinates of each of this order pair. Now we see that the domain of the g function, let's write the domain in the green, the domain of our g function is the first coordinate, so 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we see that the domain of g is now equal to the range of our inverse function. This is equal to the range of inverse function of g. Inverse of function we write with exponent negative 1. But this is not exponent, we just write that this is g to negative power, but we read that this is inverse of g. Range of g function, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, is equal to, we see, domain of our inverse function. And the same we have for the second set of pairs. The domain of g, the first coordinate, we see now is equal to the range of our g inverse function. And inverse of g, and the range of g function, the second coordinate, we see that this is now domain of our inverse function.